We'll first start by heading to your FarmRaise dashboard or the FarmRaise Tracks app, and then you can head to Invoices. You can click on an existing invoice or a new invoice and click Edit under Business Information. You will then be able to click Upload your logo under Business Information. It will then pop up a pop-up for you to select an image from your computer or your mobile device, and you'll be able to click Save, and you want it to make sure it says Updated Your Business Info. If you have any additional questions about adding a logo to your invoice, please click the green circle in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, or send us an email at support@farmraise.com. Thank you so much for watching.